Yan, may ito na. Waterloo Central. BRL. Ito na kami sa San Diego Farmers Market. Yeah. Hindi ka na. Oh, yan si Mrs. Oh. Hindi oh.
You don't have a hat?
Nandun.
Go get a hat. For you? No, not me. I don't want a hat.
Oh, may hawak pa rin akong kape oh. St. Jacob Furniture. Puro naara siguro to ah. Time now is 2:10. Mag-uubos daw ito ng 3:30. 3:30 nakalagay doon, close eh.
Ano?
3:30.
Ano 3:30?
Close.
Yeah.
Baka i-extend nila eh, summer ngayon.
No?
Diba?
Oh. Ayoko na. Ayaw water.
Livestock exchange pala yan. Kala ko live chicken. Picture muna tayo. Ito. Doon. Saan yung GoPro mo?
I didn't know. There's actually tour bus.
Kami sa loob naman to. Kainan. Ha? Kainan. Oh, sa taas. Okay. Pagkaroon, tapos balik na tayo. Ayan, mga meat. Tignan mo ako may kambing. Ito.
See?
Contact ready. Ice cream. Balik ulit tayo doon. Oh, wala line up. Wala, balik ulit. Doon muna sa pan. Ngayon, sabay mo na dito yan, oh. Dito lagay. Masarap yung tinapay na yan, 3 for 20 ah. Magkano yan? Oh. Wow, kettle corn. Masarap yan ah. corn, $6.45. Dollar. There's si Mrs. Two for 10. Okay lang yan?
Malalaki siya eh. Dalawa. Yung plastic.
Crisp pa. Oh. Ito. Binili namin. Ha? Wow. Maltin. Kari.
Wala makainan dyan? Yes. Tango.
Hot dog.
Not yet. It's a pulled pork. And I'm going back. I still have my order. Libre yung drinks.
Okay, that's good. Ibigyan niya yung kumakanta. Beef to or chicken?
Pulled pork. Pork.
Ayan. Ayan, pauwi na kami.
Uwi na. Here we go. Oh, more. More hay.
Meron silang alaga dito.
Another farm. See a carabao. See a cow and a horsey.
Mahina ang pan dito.
Horsey. I think they were on the stall.
North.
Don Carne excavating. See that? Corn.
Parang sa baryo.
So many corn. So many pine trees. Oh, the pine trees.
Tinaniman nila, no?
Here.
Pinadya yan.
Ganda. Eramosa, Guelph 8.
13 kilometer pa para sa atin.
More corn. More beans. I think it's beans. See those houses? So big.
Reindeer ba yan?
They are big.
Yan, reindeer.
No, it's not. This is Erin. No, orange bill lang ano yun. Orange bill on the other side. Love you lot.